Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili pickle masala. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh green or red chilies. For whole spices, have 2 tablespoons each of mustard, fenugreek, and fennel seeds, plus 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Prepare 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Finally, you'll need about 250 milliliters of mustard oil and salt to taste. Next, we prepare our aromatic spice blend. Gently dry roast your whole spices, mustard, fenugreek, fennel, and cumin seeds, in a pan over medium heat for about 2 minutes until fragrant. Once roasted, spread them to cool completely. After cooling, transfer the spices to a grinder and process them into a coarse powder. Finally, mix this freshly ground blend with 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Now, let's bring everything together. First, wash your 500 grams of chilies thoroughly and pat them completely dry. Slit each chili lengthwise, leaving the stem intact. In a large mixing bowl, combine the prepared spice masala with the dried and slit chilies. Pour in about 250 milliliters of mustard oil and add salt according to your preference, typically 2 tablespoons. Mix all ingredients thoroughly, ensuring every chili is well coated with the flavorful masala. Finally, proper storage is key for a long-lasting and delicious chili pickle. Carefully transfer your freshly made pickle into a sterilized, completely dry glass jar. It's crucial that the pickle remains submerged in the mustard oil. This acts as a natural preservative. If needed, add more oil to cover the chilies. Store the sealed jar in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight. Allow the pickle to marinate for 3 to 5 days before enjoying its full flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.